Michael Jordan. First time these two played when West was his fourth season. West may be as improved a player as you'll find. And here's a steal. Other end, Leitner's open, but he's got Jordan to contend.
That's not normally the case, obviously, with Michael and Scottie Pippen. You get a lot of good things. Boy, that's a great. He also can do other things like throw it off of Felton Spencer's back.
Here's McCann. Into Williams, broken up by the leading theft artist in the NBA, Jordan. To Walker. Frey in the game now for the Chicago Bulls. Michael Jordan. 4. Here comes Jordan.
It's too much respect. You got to pick him up early.
Through the second quarter. Michael Jordan.
Well, not if he's going to shoot it like that.
Michael Jordan's hit the last 9 shots.
Well, he's probably hit like the last 9 to do. They want him to come off the bench and get some rebounds.
What a pass by Jordan.
He's playing against Michael Jordan. That'll make anybody struggle.
You need a machete to get through the Chicago defense. Jordan for 3. Inside, comes out of the frame. Oh, what a fake on West by Jordan.
Yeah,
Leitner throws it off Grant.
And get the point across just the same. But you don't want to make this boy mad. To him, he gets it away from him. Now he makes his shot.
Lucky Michael Jordan. Forrest Grant.
Get a quick shot, one here quickly, and then get another one. This is what you call 2 feet. From that perspective. He got him again. He'll shoot it again. I guarantee you.
And Leitner watching.
40 years, and Christian was hands on his knees. You got to do something.
If indeed they do tear it down. Jordan twirling. Jordan